Stay safe in tough times. Immigration tips.
Hello, greetings. I am attorney Edwin Fogam. Today, I want to talk to you briefly about some steps you can take to protect yourself in the current unpredictable and hostile immigration environment. The first step you should know is you should know your immigration status. If you are not sure, consult an attorney to know precisely what your immigration status is. Sometimes people are in transitional status, sometimes pending the approval or denial of a particular application. So make sure you understand your exact immigration status, okay? Secondly, gather all your immigration documents, put them together, and make sure you have, if you had filed any immigration papers, make sure you have that information. If you don't have it, consider filing a Freedom of Information request to obtain that or those information to keep them and be ready for anything that you need to do. Third, avoid notarios, right? Non-lawyers who give advice and things like that. There are various sources of advice, but you have to be very selective as to where you go for your legal counsel. Now, sometimes it is very difficult to fix what has been actually messed up. So you have to be very careful with that. Now, understand your immigration rights. Understand your right as a foreign national here in the United States. Even though your foreign nationals don't have full constitutional rights, they do have certain rights. For example, you don't have to open your door or allow anybody in if they don't show you a warrant. Secondly, you have a right to stay silent. You don't have to answer any question. And that is something that many people should think about and make sure they understand. Create a safety plan for yourself. Create a safety plan for your family and yourself. Make sure you have phone numbers, your alien numbers, you have numbers of counsels you can contact, and I hope one of them will be us. And make sure you know that in an emergency, there is somebody who can take charge of your stuff. For example, if somebody is detained, who will go to find your lawyer or who is going to go place bond and things like that. Seek legal counsel as early as you can. Don't wait till later, because sometimes things can be prevented from happening if it is well known. Okay? Most importantly, I'll tell you is be informed, be proactive, but don't be fearful. Because if you take the right steps, I'm not sure what your immigration status is, but in most cases, you can remedy very disastrous situations by taking the right steps and doing the right things without being very panicky. Now, I hope this information can guide you a little bit, but if you need additional guidance, feel free to contact us. 301-608.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.